So here's an example of a wood floor cleaning company that's taking advantage of search box optimization to get in front of their competitors, get in front of all of their competitors by getting listed inside the search box. And as you can see, I'm actually not even done typing up the word for it, but wood floor cleaning, FOR. You see what happens here is that Chem Dry Allen is a tag phrase that's attached to this term. How is that done? Well, the service that we represent influences the business by popularity, PR, digital assets, and having a trusted network, all white hat technology. And the way in which we get through here, this benefits the customer in many ways. One, they get top of mind marketing, so you're always listed inside the search box and you see the company come up over and over and over. And two, when someone clicks through, they're only getting that actual company's information, and depending on how deep their digital assets are, all of these listings will be in their name, their Yelp, their website, their snapshot on the right, and your website, and here's even an inside page of the website. So as you can see, this is super powerful. It's also an exclusive with our company, and so our fulfillment can only sell one term to one company. I'm sorry, multiple terms to one company, but only one company can have a term. So this term belongs to Chem Dry Allen. As long as Chem Dry Allen continues to stay on the service, they will continue to get all of the traffic that comes through here and linked up to their business. So if you're interested in Searchbox, or if you'd like us to take a look to see what your terms look like in terms of search volume, reach us back 516-405-2210. Thanks.